ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I've been thinking heaps about dancing, but I need to learn some new dance moves. So I'm going to this kurakanikani to learn some. Hoa ke tātou. Ooh, this seems to be the right place. Kia ora.
Hey, kia ora, bro. What are you up to?
Oh, I'm Buzz the Cuz. I'm just trying to learn some new dance moves.
Oh, you're definitely in the right place then, my bro. Come in.
Whew, thank you. Kia ora, tamariki ma.
Kia ora. Okay, ready? Crossing your arms, look cool. And bounce and go. Good stuff, guys. 1, 2, 3, and up. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and pose. Very good, you guys. All right, Buzz, do you want to show us what you got, bro? What moves you already got?
Yeah, I can show you.
Everyone back it up. We're going to see what Buzz has got. Back it up, back it up. Here we go, go Buzz. Boom, 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 boom. Awesome moves.
What do you think?
I think that was really creative, my bro. But I think we can definitely help him with some cool hip-hop moves. What do you guys think?
Yeah!
Yes! All right. Can we please get in our spots to do the dance now? Go!
Oh.
Go, 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 go!
Over here.
And everybody down on the floor, ready to start. Let's go. Cool. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump up and go. Step, clap, step and clap, step and clap. Bouncers, go. Bounce. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strong arms and punching up. Walk around in a circle. And freeze. Show me your cool poses. Give yourselves a clap. Good stuff.
How did I do that time?
Yeah!
Yous are all amazing. Thank you so much for showing me all your awesome dance moves. Whee! Ka kite anō e te whānau.
Ka kite!